Now, you may be asking, what is Britannica? Well, Britannica is an online encyclopedia. An encyclopedia is a reference work. In other words, its whole job of existing is to give you fast facts from a reliable source on almost any topic that you can imagine. It is a great place to start any research project. Britannica actually gets updated every week and has over 123,000 articles in it, but it also has images, videos, websites that you can go to, magazine articles, an atlas, a tour of the United States. So if you're doing a states project, this is really a great place to start. And it even includes links to a dictionary. Now, you may be asking, where do I go to find Britannica? Well, Britannica is something that we access through the Kentucky Virtual Library. I have provided links to get you there through Clever and through your Google Classroom, or you can go directly to kyvl.org in order to get there. If you go to my Clever page, you'll notice that there is now under a Books and Research section a link to the Kentucky Virtual Library. There's also a link to Google Classroom. So if we're using Google Classroom for a project, then this is an easy way to get there and not have to go to Google and actually search anything up. You can also get to the library catalog while you're on my Clever page, so don't forget to also check there for books about your potential topic. When you go to the Kentucky Virtual Library through one of the links that I've given you, you're going to want to click on a button that looks like this. It says Britannica School Elementary. And that'll take you to the main search page. Now, just like any search page, like we've talked about YouTube or the library catalog, there's a search bar up at the top for you to put your keywords in. There's your search bar. Now, if you would prefer to access this information in Spanish, then I'm also got an arrow that's pointing to where you would click in order to do that. Let's say you did a search for volcano. Volcano was your keyword. Well, when you did that, you would get this results page. You can narrow your results in a variety of different ways. There are buttons along the left-hand side that will give you specifically images or videos or magazine articles. You can choose to increase the level of information that you're getting. If you're not finding that you're getting enough on level 1, you can bump it up to level 2 or 3. Now, if we're actually looking at the volcano article, then you'll see there's a lot of other things that you can do inside of KYVL and Britannica itself. There are images and videos along the left-hand side. There is the option for you to press the play button and have it read aloud to you. You can translate the article into a variety of languages by choosing that little globe under the other tools, and there's even a fun fact box. Now, just to reiterate, this will read aloud if you want or need it to do so, and you're going to do that by clicking the play button that's right there, and you can read along. It will highlight the words as it reads them out loud. So this is a great strategy for words that you might not know how to pronounce. There's going to be a lot of things in research, particularly in science, that you might not know what that word really sounds like. So choosing the read aloud is always an option. Now, if you'd like to explore even more outside of the basic articles in Britannica, then on the main search page, if you scroll down a bit, you'll notice that there are special collections that you can access, like the Animal Kingdom or biographies. I know that a lot of students do biography projects during the year. So this can be a really great place for you to access that too. So before you do a Google search for a research project next time, I would encourage you to give Britannica a try. If you would like information on how Britannica can even help you cite itself so that you can give credit for where you got your information, there is a really cool tool in the toolbar in every article that is a checkmark box. If you'd like help seeing how that works, please ask. I hope you've enjoyed learning about Britannica. Please review this video as you need to in order to be successful. Have a great day.